Antenna grounding. Old-fashioned antenna grounding was use spark gap, one 16-inch spark gap. It's enough for 1000 volts or more to discharge from antenna to ground. But today radio are much more sensitive. For example, if you have a twin lead or ladder line, any parallel line, you need two spark gap, and you can use a spark plug. Yes, usually spark plug for automobile industry or for your chainsaw or another, and this is how it look like. The air have a resistance about 1000 volts to 1 millimeter need to close this gap the spark make. 1000 volts sometimes is too much, but it's better than nothing. In air radios with vacuum tube, it was very enough. And even today, when radio have a short contact, some kind suppressor or some kind of coil on the connector side between center pin and the ground, it's connected, so it's connected for every DC, but sometimes not. Yes, you can use any spark plug, like I say, from automobile or from your chainsaw, leaf blower, or grass trimmer. It will be work very well. This is professional light arrestor. He have much more advanced than just a spark gap. Spark gap is essential, but we have also gas discharge bulb and semiconductor to discharge voltage what is below the threshold of any gap. This is basic principle how it works. You have spark gap and everything more than threshold of this spark gap will be shorted to the ground. But every voltage below this threshold can make damage, permanent damage on your today radio. Today radios are much more sensitive and don't tolerate any voltage. Even few hundred volts can make problem. And there is also transient voltage. So transient voltage will be solved with capacitor and resistors, and lower than spark gap will be use gas discharge bulb. But gas discharge bulb is for single use if you have high discharge. When you high discharge, you can just easily unscrew this gas bulb and put the new. And they are rated for the voltage, breakdown voltage. Please like, share, subscribe. This is 9 Alpha 3 Hotel Papa.